Hello guys, I'm at home right now, but my gear is packed and I'm ready to get outdoors. The weather's looking good, so I'm going down to the seaside today to see if I can catch some fresh dinner. Let's hit the road and get a line in water. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, I came to Brighton Marina. I will try to catch some fish from the sea. It's a beautiful day. Let's see how it goes. Both rods are baited up. Let's get them out. I'm fishing with 2 rods today. For bait, I'm keeping it classic. Nice strips of fresh mackerel, topped off with a piece of squid. It's a brilliant cocktail bait that puts out lots of sand in the water. Yes guys, got a nice Sea Bream. I've been here for about 5 hours now, watching the raw tips and refreshing the baits. I got a solid bite and caught this beautiful Sea Bream. It's not massive and just 1 fish, but it's all I need for catch and cook. It's time to pack up and get back to the kitchen. Yes guys, I'm back at home now and it's time to prep the catch. I'm butterflying the bream right down the middle so it lays flat. This is going to help it cook evenly and absorb all that rich smoke flavor. I'm giving it a generous coating of Himalayan salt. And now it's going in the fridge for a few hours. Oh, kitty. Okay, it's been a few hours. The fish looking great. I washed the excess salt away and it's now time for seasoning. First of all, I'll just cut some fresh garlic into slices. Yes, lovely. Okay, now I'll just add some black pepper on the fish. Now I'll just add the slices of garlic. That will do it. Now I'll just add some mixed herbs. And that's it guys. The fish is seasoned, looking very good. Now I'll just go get my barbecue ready, fire it up and smoke the fish. Okay guys, my barbecue is all cleaned out. I'll just add some charcoal. Okay, it looks nice. Let's fire it up. Okay, we got the fire. Now let's just wait for charcoal to get ready. Okay, the charcoal looks ready. Let's get the fish on. The fish is looking nice. I'll just put it on a grill. Yes, lovely. The grill looks a bit empty, so I'll just add some bonus butcher sausages. Yes, that's much better. Okay, I'll just cover it up and I will add some smoking chips inside. Yes, just closed everything up. I will leave it for 1 hour and then it should be ready. Looks good. Okay guys, my fish and sausages are done. They're looking beautiful. Let's get them on the plate. Very nice. I'll just get them inside and give it a test try. Yes guys, my fish and sausage is ready. They're looking beautiful, nice and golden color, and they smell amazing. Let's give it a go. Oh, it's so crispy and nice. Smells amazing. Okay, let's give it a go. Yes, it's nice and flaky and moist. I'll just have a garlic. Yes guys, it's amazing. I never had a Sea Bream before. I'm trying it for the first time and I'm enjoying it so much. I don't know if it's me cooking my recipes or it's the fish, but it tastes amazing. I'll give it 10 out of 10. Definitely. Okay, the fish is nice. Let's try the sausage. Just look at this guys, it's all nice and juicy. I never had a better sausage before. It's just so perfect. Yes guys, cooked to perfection. I'll give it 10 out of 10. And I forgot, I got some my own homegrown tomatoes. I just picked in the garden. Let's give that a go. They're organic, I don't use any chemicals. That tops it all up. Okay guys, I'll finish my fantastic food off. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Cheers guys!